I'm praying overnight that it does do something and helps me be able to take it out. Thankfully. Woo! Yo, I was nervous, but you can definitely do it with a 32 short. I do have a 30 long. I said, you know what, try it, and so far so good, you guys. The 30 deep is actually working. It's going in there evenly. And one way I'm making sure it goes in even is it's flat and it's level when you're hitting it. You also want to make sure that your bearing is completely clean, one. Two, you want to make sure your inner area where the bearing slides into is clean. Grab yourself some carb cleaner, clean the hell out of here, and then go ahead and use a little bit of synthetic grease. Nothing crazy. I was banging it this way, moving over here, banging it this way, moving over here, banging it this way, checking it every so often. I'm super happy that I'm able to do this by myself, but I'm gonna go ahead and position the camera, that way you guys can see me push it in. I just actually felt it pop. Nice, you guys, look at that, nice and flush. So, Duralast 30mm deep socket. Slides over there perfectly. You may want to go ahead and use something a little bigger, like a 32mm. That way it sits out a little further, but you just saw it, you guys. Oh my God, that was nerve-wracking. Oh, I successfully did it. But this, you guys, I am so happy. I'm so happy I did this by myself and I don't have to worry about transporting it somewhere. Oh, you guys, I just banged out like, I don't know how many hours worth of searching and asking and driving to places. I'm just so happy, so happy.